Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I will explain the services we offer at Armstrong Locksmith, Nashville's most trusted locksmith. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Since 2015, we've been proudly serving Nashville, Tennessee and surrounding areas. We offer the following locksmith services: residential, commercial, automotive, and emergency. Are you locked out of your home? We are here for you. Our residential services cover residential lockout, lock rekey service, lock installation and repair, interior door lockout, and mailbox keys. Need to change the locks on your business and rekey them? Call us today and we will make sure one of our technicians is out to you in less than 2 hours. When it comes to commercial, count on our team of professionals for commercial lockout, high security locks, master key systems, panic bar replacements, keypad lock installations, and grade 1 deadbolts. Car trouble? We've all been there. Our mobile team is just a phone call away. We offer new car keys, key programming, ignition repairs, smart keys, and immobilizer problems. Our locksmith and emergency services are available in Nashville, Antioch, Brentwood, Franklin, Nolensville, Hermitage, Berry Hill, and Oak Hill. Our shop is located at 208 Thompson Lane, Nashville, Tennessee, 37211. To request our service, call us at 615-625-8000 or book an appointment by visiting our website, armstronglocksmithinc.com. Our team of professionals will be glad to assist you.